Hello. Today we are going to talk about a case law called State of West Bengal versus Union of India, 1963. So, let's begin. Related article. According to Article 31 Clause 2, the state can acquire any property, including land, for a public purpose, and the state must provide compensation to the owner of the property. Facts of the case. In 1954, West Bengal passed the West Bengal Estates Acquisition Act, allowing the state to acquire certain properties. 3 years later, in 1957, the Union government passed the Coal-Bearing Areas, Acquisition and Development Act, giving itself authority to acquire coal-bearing lands across the country. In 1959 and 1960, the Union government issued notices to West Bengal regarding the acquisition of coal-bearing lands owned by the state. West Bengal challenged these acquisitions, arguing the Union lacked constitutional authority to do so. Issues raised. The core issue was whether the Indian Parliament had the constitutional power to enact laws authorizing the compulsory acquisition of property owned by the state. Judgment. The Supreme Court held that the centre has the power to acquire land under Article 31 Clause 2 of the Constitution, even if the purpose of acquisition falls within the state's legislative competence. The Coal-Bearing Areas Act was valid and constitutional. The judgment reinforced the federal nature of the Indian Constitution, supported union acquisition for national development purposes.